What is going up, guys? Welcome back to the best day trading, investing, money management channel on YouTube. Welcome back. Give yourselves a round of applause for finding the best channel. Now, if you're new to the channel, now subscribe, because that pretty much means you're an entrepreneur and you want to learn about trading stocks. Now, in today's episode, we're going to be comparing college or taking the trading path. Now, let's say you just graduated high school and you're thinking about starting trading stocks, or you want to start going to college. Now, let's say you took the college path. The average college cost for a 4-year degree is $26,000. And a lot of 18-year-olds can't afford it, so they take up these things known as student loans. Now, these student loans can pretty much ruin your financial stake. There are people in their late 60s and they're getting their Social Security checks deducted because they're still paying their student loan. So let's say you go to college, you start taking classes, and let's say you don't even finish. So you're still in debt and you don't even have a degree to cover yourself. Now, you're pretty much in a scenario where you don't know what to do, and that's completely fine. But let's say you go to college, you get that 4-year degree, then you get out of college, and now, does this degree mean anything? Well, yes, it does. It does pull some strings and it does pull some weight, but it's still very, very difficult to find a job that you're going to enjoy. So what has a tendency to happen is people will take the first job they get, and really they're kind of stuck with it. And I don't want to see that with you guys. And I'm not saying that no one should go to college. If you're going to college to become an engineer, to become a doctor, become a lawyer, and everything like that, then go for it. But if you're going to college to start a business, don't do that. You're getting in debt, and you could be investing this money into yourself or into trading stocks. Now, the average stock market account or a trading account is filled with anywhere from $25,000 to $30,000. You might be saying, Carter, whoa, I can't afford that. But you kind of can, because you can get a student loan for $26,000. You can afford to learn about this industry. Now, the average college course is roughly $1,500. So that's like, what would that be, like 5% of a bachelor degree? Now, Carter, does that pull any strings? No, it doesn't. I'll be honest. A trading course does not pull any degree. What they're designed to do is teach you how to become a profitable trader. Now, you take these courses and you learn about the stock market. If let's say you spend 2 years, 3 years practicing trading, learning about trading the stock market, you learn this, now you have a strategy for a lifetime. And I know I'm a little unbiased because I do trade stocks, but guys, I still have a college degree. I went to a community school, a community college right up the street, and honestly, if I would have spent that time studying trading stocks and creating content on YouTube or creating my podcast, I would have much rather done that, and my success would be a lot larger than what it is now. And I'm not blaming, going to college for, not having enough money, not having enough subscribers and everything like that, because I'm the type of person where I love to earn my way up to the top, and it's just another rock in the road that I just have to drive over. It's no big deal. So one thing that's also very cool about day trading is there's no debt as compared to college. When you go to college, like I said, you get in student debt. Almost everybody does. But trading, you don't get into any debt because it's like you have to treat it as a job. So you're making income, and it's doing the complete opposite. You're learning about stocks and everything like that, and it's just crazy. And just because you go to college, it does not mean you're going to get a great job. And that's what a lot of people think when they're out of high school. And that's what I thought. You go to college, you follow the path of everybody else, and then you become like everyone else. And I didn't want that. I did not want that. I wanted to be different, and I wanted to either create content on YouTube, have a job where I worked only a couple hours so I can spend the rest of the time with friends, family, and creating content and podcasts and everything like that. I wanted that. And I feel like if I was going to go back in time, I would take all of that money that I went to school, all that time, and I would have focused it on trading, because I would have definitely amplified my success. Another thing that's cool is you can literally trade anywhere in the world. So if that's, say you want to go to Florida tomorrow, there's nothing stopping you from going to Florida. Now, I know a lot of people are going to say, well, Carter, only 85% of traders actually succeed. And that's true. That's true. It just so happens that I'm in that 15% that actually has an income from it. But it's one of those things where if you don't try, or if you keep giving up, you're always going to be in that 85% who fail. So I feel like if it was me, I would take those years that I would be in school and focus it on something that I'm more passionate about. And it just so happens that trading stocks is what I'm very passionate about. So, that's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I want to ask you a question. What would you rather do? Follow your passion or just go on the road of everybody else and becoming like everyone else? So that is it. That's the question I have for you guys. That is it though. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. And if you did, drop a subscribe and like down below. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Take care and have a good one.